Hello, I want to show you today how to prepare a flowers girl crown with artificial flowers. I'm gonna start preparing the materials for the crown for the flower girl. Uh, the materials that we will use today are this wire. I have a piece of that wire. The length is 1 yard and 31 inch. I left the mark on my table. I used to do that every time that I have to prepare more than one piece. Also, I picked these artificial flowers. I decide to start with artificial flowers because it's gonna be easier to understand the way to work with the flowers. Then I have my glue gun already plugged. I have the scissor to cut the ribbon. This is the ribbon that I will use in the same color of the flower. My other scissors to cut the wire that I already did, or maybe to cut the plastic stem of the flowers. Well, let's begin. We have to pick the flowers. I always think that the big one is gonna be in the center of the piece. From that point to the extremes, I'm gonna start to make it a smaller. I guess that I have enough. This wire is not gonna have the size the whole head. I'm gonna double on the half, and then I'm gonna double it again, and I'm gonna make a little loop in each extreme. That loop is for tie the ribbon that you're gonna put at the end, and then I have to twist it from one extreme to the other one. I got the other extreme. I already have a loop, so I have to hide the two loose extremes of the wire and make it a strong twist. Okay. Fold again and mark the center. This is gonna be our center point. Let me see. Yes. Okay. Center. I don't like to put the flowers in this way. Okay, you see the flowers is not watching to the front, it's watching to the side. Then gradually I will pick another flowers smaller and smaller and smaller. Let me see, this is gonna be for the other side. Let's see, if I put this one there, I can put this one over here. Okay. Yeah, yes. From now on, the only thing that you have to do is keep adding the flowers. I brought this tape, this floral tape I used before, so I'm gonna start to wrap the stem of the flowers around the main piece of wire. You can use the glue, and then you can wrap the stems. You can do in both ways, but now I want to do like this. Okay, I'm leaving in a small space in between the flowers because I have to use another material, but not too big spaces, because when you make the curve of the crown, it's gonna show up the wire. So yes, this is way easier, a more safe way to work with the flowers. And once I put one flowers in this size, I have to put the other one in the other side. Don't be impatient and start to finish one size first. That is not gonna help you to distribute the flowers in the right amount and in the right sizes. You know, mostly the work with the flowers is about be patient. Now is add some details. Now, yes, I have to use the glue. In between the big flowers, I'm gonna glue the small one. Almost done. I like it. The last step is cut the ribbon. If you find the string and you can open it, obviously. I got it, okay. This is 1/8. So it's the half of the quarter. It's really a small limb. But what I want to do is I like many sorry, I like to have many piece of ribbon in each side, because I want they play with the hair, and I want they have different lengths, no just 1, 2, and 3. Oh, the whole. Yes. Let's see if if I can do in this way. So I'm gonna make a loop, and then I'm gonna pass through the loop the extreme of the ribbon. Okay, yes. Yeah, I'm gonna do the same for the other side. I have the loop here. It is long, but don't worry. What are you doing there? I found one flower that just fall from the crown. It is very common that you have that kind of little problems, that some flowers may fall. So I have my specific technique to be sure that everything is gonna be working perfectly until the day of the wedding, and I wanna show you as soon as this glue gets cold. For now, let me finish with this. So we have the both extremes. You are gonna make a single knot and a big bow, really big bow, and I let you know why, like that. Decide that's the way that you want to have it, or the girl want to have it. It doesn't matter if you feel it's too long. Don't be worried about that. Let me make it stronger. Okay, yes. You see? And now you are gonna cut the loops in different parts. So it's gonna look more natural, and it's gonna have like a cascade shape. That's it's very easy. Okay, what's the technique that I use before I do the deliveries of the personal flowers and be sure that anything is gonna fall apart? Well, when I decide that my crown or whatever I'm doing is ready, I do this. With natural or fresh flowers, I shake it. If something is gonna fall, it's better it fall now, not while the bride's walking down the aisle, while the flower girl's walking down the aisle. If something's gonna fall apart, it's better now or never. So once you shake it, and everything is in the place that you decide before, that means that you have a good product in your hands. You don't need to pray all the ceremony until everybody go to the reception for the flowers be okay. The flower is gonna be okay forever if you use artificial flowers. If you use natural flowers, the flowers is gonna be okay for 3 or 4 days after the wedding. If you have questions, just let me know, and I will answer you back as soon as I can. I like it. Yes, I like it. I hope you do. It's very easy. You should just go to Michael's and buy the flowers, and that's it. Well, thank you so much for watching my video. I'm preparing another one, so soon I will put on my channel. Thank you so much, and have a great day. Thank you.